If you're looking for an engaging and effective way to connect with your audience and build a business around your audience, then starting a newsletter business might be just what you need. In today's video, we'll be giving you the ultimate guide to starting your own newsletter business. So whether you're a blogger, a marketer, a content creator, or just someone looking to connect with your audience, this video is for you. Let's get started. We are going to break this down into 5 steps. The first step as to why you should start a newsletter business. A newsletter business can help you build a loyal audience, establish yourself as an authority in your niche, drive traffic to your website or blog, and even generate revenue through sponsorships, ads, or affiliate marketing. Unlike other platforms, newsletters allow you to directly communicate with your subscribers on a regular basis, giving you a more personal and intimate connection with them. You can share exclusive content, offer special deals, ask for feedback, or simply keep them up to date on your latest projects and ideas. Some of the most successful newsletter businesses include The Scheme, a daily newsletter for millennial women with over 7 million subscribers, and Morning Brew, a business and finance newsletter with over 3 million subscribers. Now that we know the reasons as to why you can start a newsletter business, let's take a look at step 2 on how to get started with your newsletter business. In this step, we have 4 areas that you need to focus on. The first one is choosing a niche and defining your target audience. To make your newsletter stand out, it's important to focus on a specific topic or theme that appeals to your ideal reader. This could be anything from cooking to fitness to personal finance. Once you've defined your niche, you can then identify your target audience and tailor your content to their interests and needs. The second one is selecting the right platform for your newsletter. There are several platforms you can use to create and send newsletters, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, Substack, or Review. Each platform has its own features, pricing, and limitations. So it's important to do your research and choose the one that best fits your goals and budget. The third one is creating a compelling name and logo for your newsletter. Your newsletter's name and logo are the first thing your subscribers will see. So they should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. You can use tools like Canva or hire people on Fiverr to create for you a professional looking logo and branding for your newsletter. The fourth one is developing content strategy and an editorial calendar. To keep your subscribers engaged and interested, you need to have a clear plan for your content. This includes deciding on the frequency, length, tone, and format of your newsletter, as well as brainstorming topics and ideas for each issue. An editorial calendar can help you stay organized and consistent with your content. You can build an editorial calendar for your newsletter business using agencywork.io, which allows you to streamline your newsletter business operations, and you can check out agencywork.io using the link in the description. Now let's get into step 3 about growing your newsletter business. There are many ways to grow your newsletter business, and it boils down to the following ways. The first way is building your subscriber list. The success of your newsletter depends on the size and quality of your subscriber list. You can attract new subscribers by promoting your newsletter on your website, social media, guest posts, or ads, offering a lead magnet or freebie, or partnering with other newsletters or influencers in your niche. The second way is promoting your newsletter through social media and other channels. In addition to your website, you can also use social media forums, podcasts, or events to promote your newsletter and reach a wider audience. Make sure to engage with your followers and respond to their comments or questions to build trust and loyalty. The third way is by creating engaging content that keeps your subscribers coming back for more. Your content is the heart of your newsletter business, so it's important to make it informative, entertaining, and valuable to your subscribers. You can include a mix of different types of content, such as articles, videos, podcasts, interviews, or surveys, and experiment which different formats and styles performs to make things fresh. The fourth way is monetizing your newsletter business. While not every newsletter business is profitable, there are several ways you can monetize your newsletter if you have a large following and engaged subscriber base. This includes sponsored content, ads, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or selling your own products or services. However, it's important to balance revenue generating strategies with your subscribers' interests and preferences and avoid overwhelming them with numerous ads and sales pitches. Now, let's get into step 4 about overcoming common newsletter challenges. There are 3 main challenges that most newsletter businesses encounter. The first one is dealing with writers' block and burnout. One of the biggest challenges of running a newsletter business is coming up with new and engaging content on a regular basis. To avoid writer's block and burnout, you can brainstorm ideas in advance, keep a running list of topics and sources, take breaks and recharge, or even outsource some of your content creation tasks. To avoid this challenge, you can stay organized by using a task management tool like agencywork.io, which allows you to collaborate with your content creation team. You can check out agencywork.io using the link in the description. The second one is staying organized and on top of deadlines. This is another challenge whereby newsletter business owners face an issue of organization and scheduling of their newsletter production and promotion. To stay on top of deadlines, you can use agencywork.io to create a workflow and set reminders, delegate tasks to a team or assistant, or batch your content creation and scheduling to save time and energy. You can check out agencywork.io using the link in the description and start a free trial. The third challenge is handling technical issues and other setbacks. Technical issues or setbacks can disrupt your newsletter business and cause stress and frustration. To handle these challenges, you can have a backup plan in place, such as a secondary email list or social media account. You need to reach out to your subscribers and ask for their patience and understanding, and seek help from experts or support team when needed. That brings us to step 5. Starting a newsletter business can be a rewarding and fulfilling way to share your knowledge and passions with others, connect with like-minded individuals, and even turn your hobby into a career. So don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and keep growing your newsletter business one issue at a time. If you are inspired to start your own newsletter business, you can book a call with my newsletter growth agency called Socialytics.com that helps businesses and entrepreneurs launch and grow their newsletter businesses by helping you on how to get started with your own newsletter, choose a niche and audience, select a platform and newsletter branding, brainstorm content ideas, and create an editorial calendar, start promoting your newsletter, and most importantly, we give you tips for growing your subscriber base and monetizing your newsletter. So if you want to start or grow your own newsletter business, book a call with my newsletter growth agency called Socialytics.com. The link is in the description.